So I'm doing this video because I sell car diffusers, right? I sell these car diffusers. They come in rose gold. See? They come in rose gold. They come in black. And they come in silver. They come in silver. They come in silver. And they're filled like this. And you can tie. Oh, I'm so glad. You can tie it a knot and you can pull it to how, if you want it all the way down here, if you want it high, you hang it on your mirror. You can hang it up, tie it in a knot here. It already comes full with your essential oil. Okay, this comes in. It comes in pineapple. It comes in pineapple, and it comes in strawberry. I can do some custom orders, you know, but it comes in pineapple and it comes in strawberry. And when it comes, it's already full with oil like this. And you screw the top off. You take this top off, right? It's a wood cork. So you take this. It is going to come with a cap on it, with this plastic cap on it. Of course, I'm not going to try to take that one out because I'm clumsy and I don't want to spill it. So I'm going to show you from this one. This cap, you can take this cap with your nail and pop it out. You pop this cap out, but look. Make sure that you save your cap. Make sure you put your cap back in this plastic and put it in the glove compartment because I do refills. These are $15, but I do refills for $8. So if you need to get yours refilled, hey, I refill them for $8. So make sure you hang on to this plastic cork that goes inside here because. And when you get it, it's going to be full like this. You pop that off. You screw the top back on it. And then you do like this a little bit. Not too much because you don't want it dripping away from anywhere. And it's going to wet that wood wick right there. It's going to wet this wood right here. So it has the fragrance to be in there. And anytime you don't smell it or you feel like it's getting a little weak, just do this. A little bit, shake it a little bit to wet that wood, and you good. And again, they're easy. When they come, they're gonna come like this, and it's gonna have the top already in it. This top already in it, and all you have to do is pop this top out. All you gotta do is take this top out, screw this on. Shake it, and bam, you got it. Okay, hey Shay, how you doing, Shay? And you got it. And again, they come in black. They come in rose gold.